Hi, I'm Gibaud, and today I am in a real life situation for broadcasting live, and I want to show you the gear I'm using. A GoStream Deck by Osee. So I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm using 4 inputs, which is 3 cameras and a computer, and I will show you why this gear is really great for that kind of situation, where you have everything packed in one with the switcher, the screen, the monitor, everything. So let's go for it. Let's start. Now I'm going to show you the situation. I've got camera 1, that's this one, 2 is this one, 3 is the one I'm going to use to make pictures, and the computer. Okay, so I'm going to the switch to show you how it works. Okay, so here I've got camera 1, here I've got the preview, here I've got the broadcast, here I've got all my inputs, possible input. Okay, so I'm here, I'm going to say I want to preview. Here it previews the computer. Okay, I'm on camera 1. If I want to switch, I just go there, and now this complete preview, and I'm broadcasting the computer right now. Okay, if I want to preview, for example, camera 2, preview it, and then it will go to camera 2 when I move this switch. Okay, and this is so easy to use. I can have direct also, or I'm on auto, get out the auto, and can cut or do auto and fade and things like this. Okay, so well, on the same one. Okay, so let's say when I previous the 3, sorry, when I push 3 is broadcasting. If now I want to show the computer, because here I'm back to number 1. If I don't want to do this movement, I can cut directly and broadcast the camera I want, the input I want. Okay, it's so easy to use. By the way, if you wanted to help me, I can also help you. I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel that don't speak about gear, just about photography techniques, tips, all this. There's a join button just below, so you have access to exclusive video just for members. And I've also placed in description affiliated links. Please use them. And if you buy from Lumina, Neo, or Aperty, don't forget you get a 10% discount extra with my code ERIC10 on top of any offer they have. So you save a lot of money. Thank you so much. That really helps me. Let's carry on. Honestly, this GoStream is so complete that I could be hours explaining things. There are many things you can tune. You can mix audio. You can put picture in picture. You can do many things with this case and this switcher. Okay, but I'm not going to spend hours because this is not a tutorial. It's just to give you an idea of how I use it. So I'm going to tell you what comes in the box. Well, the box comes with the switcher itself, but it's all in this case because this is the kit version with a monitor, 14-inch monitor. The case is great because you can actually place a tripod on it, and you have a plate on the side, so you could screw accessories, whatever you want to put there. You have include on mini HDMI cable, a D-tape cable, a QSG, and also a guarantee card and a support card. Okay, so it weighs about 5 kilos altogether. And what do you get in there? Well, you have 4 HDMI ports for the input. So in this case, I have 1 camera, 2 cameras, 3 cameras, and a computer getting in there. Okay. Then you have 2 HDMI outputs. So you can use it, well, to output to another monitor, to another computer, or whatever you want to do. Then you have 2 USB ports. Then you have the power. There are 2 ways of using it. You can power to the wall socket, also to a power bank. If you place your power bank in there for 20,000 milliamps, you will get about 5 hours of broadcasting. So this is really great. It takes, it's long, okay? Beware, if you use a power bank, remove it when you close the box, because you could damage the monitor, so that's important. You also have an SD card slot, so you can actually record to your SD card what you're actually broadcasting, so that's great. You have 2 audio in, 1 audio out, and an Ethernet port in case you wanted to connect to directly to a network or whatever. The size, well, that's about the size of the 14-inch monitor, so it's easy to see. One thing, this is not 4K, this is full HD. So yes, I've seen all the switchers, I've actually presented some, and they're great, they're 4K, but this one is not thought for being comfortable at home. This is thought to be on the go to your client, go somewhere, go outdoors, and can actually connect to a smartphone if you want to actually broadcast. So really, this is not the idea to have 4K. I think Full HD is enough, and 4K will be so much more expensive, and so often the bandwidth you would have would maybe not be enough to broadcast. Okay, so I think it was a right decision. Well, on my situation, I've connected a Lumix S5 II Lumix S5, a computer, and this Fujifilm. These are connected wirelessly with the Holyland MOS 4K, and honestly that works great. The cameras are connected with wire cable, HDMI cable. They could actually be connected with another way, okay, with wireless also, but I decided to do it this way, okay. So honestly, I think this is completely recommendable. If you or a person we're going to broadcast and you don't want to carry a lot of things, you have everything in a case. So this is, we need to bring the cameras, of course, but you have, this is really tied up, it's really nice, really practical. So for me, it's completely recommendable. So in case you would be interested, I'll leave you a link in the description where you can buy it. So thank you so much, Osee, for sending me this GoStream Deck. Thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The small button down here is a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, Gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Also, leave your affiliated links in the description. Please, if you buy from Luminar Neo and Apple T, both from Skylum, don't forget with the code Eric10 you get an extra 10% discount on top of any offer there. So you save a lot of money. Thank you so much for using it. Also leave you my... oh yeah, I forgot to say, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There you have exclusive video, nothing about gear, just about photography technique. There's a join button just below, so I'll wait for you for exclusive video. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much, please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye!